Welcome everyone! In today's video, we're exploring how to master different art styles with MidJourney. I'll show you the tools and prompts you need to bring these styles to life. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you get the most out of MidJourney. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, let's talk about model selection. MidJourney offers different models optimized for unique styles. So choosing the right one can really help you capture the exact aesthetic you're going for. Let's say you want something realistic. Well, the default model is perfect for that. But if you're in the mood for anime or stylized illustrations, then the Niji model is definitely the way to go. I'll show you what I mean with a quick example. So, let's create a futuristic cityscape, but in an anime style. I'll add the Niji flag to get that vibrant, stylized look. And so, here it is. Added this one. Here's a simple prompt description. Now, let's send this off right now. All right, so it started processing. Now we just give MidJourney a moment to work its magic. It's adding those vivid colors and stylized details characteristic of anime. So that's what we're going to expect that as a result. So let's give it a moment. All right, it's now completely loading up with the images. All right, just give it a moment. And then here we go. And there it is. You can see how the Niji model brought out that bright animated feel. Perfect for the stylized for anime inspired look. See, you can have it like a modern version of an anime feel to it. See right there. So, experimenting with models like this gives you so much creative flexibility, especially if you're exploring different art genres. So, now that we've seen how the Niji model can transform a scene, let's dive a little deeper into its strengths with character designs. So, the Niji model doesn't just enhance cityscapes or scenes, it also works beautifully for anime style characters, giving them bright colors, smooth lines, and those classic anime expressions. Just like this one, for instance. See? There we go. So let me show you how it brings a character to life with this. So let's create a heroic young warrior in a mystical forest, which is ideal for the Niji model. So I'll add some modifiers a bit for the prompt to really capture that vivid, expressive anime look. Oh, here we go. Right over here. Prompt description and all. Here is the Niji flag right here. Now let's send this off. All right. So we'll give it a moment to work its magic. So adding in modifiers or into that description, like vivid colors and expressive, will make sure the character feels lively and animated. And so just give it a little wait. All right. So it's almost loaded up really well. All right, just wait for a bit. There we go. And yep, I can see the results from there. And there we go. Check it out. The Niji model really delivers on those bold colors and clean lines right here. See? This is giving the character that signature anime look. Right over here, this one. See? You can see how the details make it feel like a scene straight out of a fantasy adventure with this one. And also this one. And also this one. See? So, we've explored anime and stylized art. But what if you're aiming for a more realistic, true to life image? That's where MidJourney's default model really shines. With a few specific prompt adjustments, you can bring out incredible detail and depth to create a photorealistic scene. So, this one right here, looks pretty cool. Photorealistic right here. There's another one. So to get that realistic effect, let's create an old library scene. So I'll add phrases like ultra realistic, high detail, and 4K to tell MidJourney we want something that feels lifelike, right down to the textures and shadows. So let's see how it handles this prompt. Right over here, see, ultra realistic, 4K. Here we go. And now let's hit send right about now. All right, so as MidJourney generates, it's focusing on elements like texture, depth, and natural lighting. So each of these details is key to creating that realistic feel that we're aiming for. All right, so let's take a moment for the image generation to process and finish. All right, here we go. It's now finished. So notice how it captured the shadows right over here. See? See right here? See? The texture of the books right there. Another one right here. See? And even the way the sunlight filters through the window. See there? These details really make it feel like you could step right into a scene. See? This one is my favorite right here. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. So we've seen how powerful MidJourney can be with realistic images. But what if we want to throw realism out that window? This is where things get really fun. MidJourney is perfect for creating abstract art. Here, it's less about capturing objects as they are and more about experimenting with emotion, shapes, and colors. You can see right here, they're abstract. One over here, another one over here, and another one right over here. With the colors and everything. And so let's dive into an abstract prompts to see how MidJourney handles expressive and surreal art. I'll try something like swirling colors, kind of like this, but more in a cosmic dance, ethereal, my apologies for that, surreal, dreamlike, just to give it an open-ended artistic direction. So here's the prompt right here. Got everything, the description right here, and let's send this off. Voila! So, as it's generating, MidJourney is interpreting these words to create something expressive rather than realistic. So, by focusing on mood and flow, we're letting it paint something that feels almost like a dream. Now, it all depends on how the images would come out in a bit, just as the image generation would soon complete. All right, here we go. And voila, look at that. The result has that cosmic dreamlike quality we aimed for. See right here, it's a swirling blend of colors and textures. And now this evokes that's feeling more than representing anything concrete. See right here. See? This is what makes abstract art so exciting. And that you get to explore pure creativity. How awesome is that? Now that we've experimented with abstract art, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools for setting the tone of your image, lighting. Now, lighting changes everything. It can take a scene from cozy and warm to eerie and mysterious, all by switching a few details. Now, I'll show you what I mean with an abandoned castle scene, for instance. To create a dark, chilling vibe, I'll include phrases like moonlight casting shadows and misty atmosphere sort of things. Now, let's see how MidJourney interpret these cues. There's my prompt right here. See? just as I stated. And now let's send this off right about now. All right, so while MidJourney processes, it's focusing on capturing those eerie elements like mist and shadows, right here, misty, then casting shadows right here, that give the scene a mysterious feel. These lighting cues are essential for crafting that spooky vibe, and now we'll see how this may turn out. Alrighty, so as you can see right here, look at how the moonlight and the mist completely transform the scene into something haunting and atmospheric. Right here, see the mist in the side right here, the moonlight. Here we go. Here's another one right here, the moonlight right there, mist. There's another one in the background, the mist and the lighting of the moon. And the last one here, and yeah, so this is a great example of how lighting alone can tell a story. And that wraps up our deep dive into different art styles with MidJourney. From anime to abstract, the variety of models and prompts allows for endless creativity.